In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn on predictive text on Samsung keyboard. It's a very easy method, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on pretty much any Android phone that you have. So what you want to do is go over to your settings application, and then once you're here, you want to go ahead and look for general management. So I'm just going to go ahead and scroll down, and we're going to try and find the general management area, but it should be towards the bottom. As you can see, general management is right there, and then you're going to see keyboard settings or things like that. So from here, just tap on the keyboard settings area, and then you're going to see predictive text as one of the options. So all you got to do is just make sure that is on. If it's toggled off, like what you see here, all you got to do is make sure you toggle it on, and then you're going to see even more settings come up that have to do with predictive text, and that's literally it. You'll be good to go. And now you can do this on, again, like I said, any Android phone. Obviously, just make sure you're up to date on whichever UI you have. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also, be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.